Hi, James again. Welcome back to Cawdor Stone Gallery. Today we're going to have a quick look at the processing once you've accepted your order for your stone work surfaces and how we actually process that to get the beautiful stone worktops you desire in your kitchen. So once you've been down to the factory, you've picked your materials, you've agreed the prices, you want to go ahead with the job. So what we do is we book you in on our system, we give you a provisional template date, we keep in touch with you until we actually know you're definitely going to be ready, then our guys will come out and take a physical template. What a template actually is, as we can see from here, is a physical representation in plastic sheet form of what you're going to get. So what the guys will do is they'll cut the boards to the exact shape and dimensions and pattern of whatever your kitchen style or shape is going to be. They mark everything on there, so you're going to see the sink shape cut out that you're going to get. If you were having drainer grooves, the side that we're going to mark it on for it to be cut and polished in the factory. And anything like your hob cut out if you're having a hob rather than a range cooker or an auger or something like that. And just from this as well, you can see obviously we mark the front edges so we know where we have to polish the front edges so it has a nice high degree of polish finish for you. So what we do is we lay the templates out on the slab. A good thing with actually doing it this way is that with a vein material like we can see in the background of this calicata type material, is because the veining is random, you may want to come back down, lay your templates actually out on the slab, and if there's a certain redeeming feature you'd like to keep, a certain part of the marbling pattern on a larger area, or just so it avoids the sink cutout, so for example like this, the cutout actually misses out on any of the veining so you get to see the actual beauty of the stone everywhere else, we can actually do that for you. So once we've done that, it goes gets loaded onto our saws, ready to be cut. We're going to go inside now and have a quick look at how that process is done. So here we can see the slab has been on the saw, the templates have been laid out. We're now cutting the straight edges for the front and the back edges, ready for it to then go on to the masonry side where it's all finished by hand. The other parts that might get done on this is you might actually plunge in the actual cutout for the hob and maybe for the sink as well. So we're going to have a look now at the actual manufacturing part where it's done by the masonry side. So now we're over in the masonry department where we've got a nice Carrara quartz worktop set up ready. If you come in a little bit closer, you can actually see how it's actually done. What we've got here is the sink cut out ready to be done. So the corners have been cut out, ready for the sink to drop out and to be polished internally. It's been masked up here, so we've got the drainer grooves going in. The grooves have actually been cut into it already, ready to be polished up by hand by one of the masons. What they'll also do here as well is finish off any edge detailing, whether it be a pencil, a bevel or anything more ornate like an OG or a DuPont edge, to be finished here by hand to get that nice high degree of polish as well. And now we've got the final finished product here. As you can see, the sink's been all cut out, it's been polished internally, the drainer grooves have been cut, so they've been polished to a nice high degree of polish. The tap holes all sitting there ready to go as well. Top's just ready now to take out and install in someone's kitchen and look good forevermore.